It is Tuesday, October 7th, 2025, and I am in front of the Hoover Dam right there. It's my first time being here. It looks amazing. It's amazing what people can accomplish, especially back in the day with the technology they had. But yeah, that's the Nevada side. I'm in the Arizona side. There's a couple of parking spots over here. Not that busy, but it is kind of warm. It's about 84 degrees. A little bit of dry heat. And over there you can see where the water levels used to be. And that's the Hoover Dam on October 7th. It's super cool.